the nicest man on TV. That is a fact. But no, none of that anymore, right? You need to get mean. You know what happens. If Dad lands on red, you need to release a furious amount of foam right in his face. So think of it this way. From pop star to opera star to foam in the face star. You know what I'm saying, Joe? You know what I'm saying? Get mean.
Let's go for it. Let's go. Let's do it.
In that case, here we go. Loads of prizes, no big deal. Come on, Sam, wind up that wheel.
Here we go.
In position.
We're going to get your dad back.
Okay. Now, don't be shy. Right in the face. I'm going to stand behind here. After 3, 1, 2, 3, go! Back over here, Joe. Excellent. Are you feeling okay, Dad?
Yeah.
Okay, it's time. Yeah. Okay, it's time for the second spin. Here we go. Entire studio audience, let's see what it is. It's a cupcake for every single member. Oh. Okay, Dad, we got one final spin. Are you ready?
I am.
Excellent. Here we go. Okay, you've landed on red once again, Joe. You know what to do in 3, 2, 1, go! I'll just put you right back round. Oh, dearie me!
You're dripping on the carpet, Sam.
Oh. Well, that means at the end of Dad on a Wheel, you won a prize for our entire studio audience, and you got foamed twice. Not bad at all. To our Dad on the Wheel and our Fominator. Give it up for Joe McElderry, yeah?
Come here, Sam, come here. That is not all. Because you and your family have also won the right to play for another special prize. Check this. It's the ultimate money can't buy prize. We're inviting you back to win the presenter later on in the show.
He's in shock. He's saving it, you know what I mean? Okay, so we now know that Sam and his family will be taking part in Win the Presenter later on in the show, but who will they be playing against? It could be anyone in this audience here tonight. Every single one of you, stay watching to find out.
Indeed, right there, Dan. Here's what else is coming up on this crazy show.
You won't believe the lengths Sam and Mark go to when they pull off the ultimate